This is a totally groundbreaking platform. The ability to use a propulsion system on a re-entry probe back to Earth is pretty sweet.
We built the solar panels, we built the structure, we built the propulsion system, we have all the software that we built, the reaction wheels, the star trackers, the separation systems we built. So all of these things normally you would aggregate from various suppliers, but we have such a wide and diverse satellite component business internally that we're able to pull these things together really, really quickly and build these spacecrafts at both a cost and also a pace that's really unmatched.
Well, what's next for space systems in the near future is we've got 3 more coming down the pipeline for Varda. This bus specifically, we can support a number of different kinds of missions.
So Rocket Lab is not just a launch company. We're building constellations of spacecraft right here in our factory in California.